I work really long days as a strength conditioning coach, and I wasn't recovering like I thought I should as I've aged. I've been doing this for over 20 some years now and wanted to really optimize my health, so HRT really seemed like the right fit for me. Hi, this is Chris. I came to see Dr. Setareh for hormone optimization therapy. I really felt that HRT could benefit me because I wasn't getting the right joint recovery. I really felt like day in and day out my joints are just feeling sore and not feeling as optimized as they should be. And then also just that mental clarity. I didn't feel as sharp as I felt in years past, and so I thought between the combination of those two and speaking with Dr. Setareh that should be optimized through the treatment plan that he had created.
So today we're teaching 10 doctors and practitioners how to insert pellets. Pellicom has asked me to help. We're using our office and we're using me technically to teach. These providers are coming from all over, mostly California, Arizona, Colorado, Nevada, because they're excited to try and to learn how to use pellets for their patients. We have Kim, one of our lovely new pellet inserters. She's going to be practicing on a male here today. We're doing 1,600 milligrams of testosterone. This is your first time inserting pellets, is that right? All right, awesome. Let's start. So how do you feel?
Good.
Good.
I hardly felt anything at all.
Love to hear that. You did absolutely wonderfully. Almost no bleeding at all. He seems to feel great after the procedure. Yeah. I think you're really going to get great benefit out of this. I know you work with pro athletes all the time, so you're working out yourself all the time. And I think this is going to give you that energy towards the end of the day, waking up earlier, all that kind of stuff that you're looking for. I think it's going to make you feel better overall as well.
Good. I met Dr. Setareh about a year ago. He knew that I was in the sports performance field. He has an interest also in fitness, so we had some mutual things that we discussed back and forth. And once I came in and we talked more about how that could specifically apply to me, how HRT could apply to me, we felt that it could be a good benefit, and super excited that I did it. My experience today has been awesome. Hardly felt anything, and it was in under about 10 minutes, I was in and out. Dr. Setareh, I'd want to give you a personal thank you. I think that I'm going to notice this every day as I go to work and as I get out of bed, and my recovery is, it's going to be huge. Thank you personally to you for recommending this to me, and I look forward to seeing where this goes and working with you down the road.